What's up, guys? It's been a hell of a week. I had the opportunity to spend a lot of time with my family and my dog. We went to the beach, had a lot of fun. Then, as I'm going back to my apartment from the other side of the island, a car broke down. And then after paying for the repair, I was told that my best option is to change the actual engine. Yeah, long story short, I was able to get a new car with some money I had saved up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do for my next devlog is I'm gonna make a self-introduction video. So drop your comments down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright, enough about me, I'm just gonna go straight to the point. This is how I went from an idea to an actual website in just one day using just 4 steps. Alright, step 1, purpose. In order for you to make a website, you need to know what you're gonna make the website about. You can't really, start, coding and everything if you don't know what you're actually gonna do. So my suggestion is, on a notepad or even on Microsoft Word, just type in, plan ahead, and choose the best platform for your website. This brings me to step 2, choosing your platform. There's a million different ways that you can make a website, ranging from WordPress to Wix, where there is absolutely no coding required.
I apologize for changing microphones. I was having a little bit of trouble with my camera. So step 3 is just be ready to make mistakes, because coding is never easy, and the more you fail, the more you learn. You can ask any computer science major or software engineer, and 100% of them will tell you that they've had an experience where they have a simple piece of code and they spend at least an hour trying to figure out what's wrong, and the answer is usually something really simple. I really can't emphasize how important this step is, for you to start working on your personal project, because the biggest problem, with everybody is that, nobody wants to actually start. And last but not least, step 4. If you've made it this far, you probably already have everything you need to start working on your own website. A little piece of advice is that no matter how talented somebody else can be, if you keep working and grinding, you will definitely outshine talent. Alright, so before I go, I'm going to show you guys a website that I made for Gaminart Productions. He is a game developer. You guys should definitely check him out. He has a couple of cool games coming out soon, as well as tutorials and devlogs on how he actually develops these games. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more content, just subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask in the comment section down below. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.